Hey guys, today we've got the MP Lafer out. I knew absolutely nothing about this car when I purchased it. I bought this car over the summer with the 58 and the 264s. I got that Super Beetle convertible with it and a bunch of parts. You guys might have seen the video. But I'm looking for some help on trying to find some parts for this car. I also got an extra set of rims for it, which is cool. These were produced in Brazil, from what little bit of information I found on the web. The MP Lafer was also in one of the James Bond movies, which is really cool. Some differences on these cars. You see the larger 70s era turn signals, as well as this car has like 68, 69 taillights, whereas some of the Lafers have a more distinguished, thinner taillight. Just a really fun car to drive though. But like I said, I'm really looking for some parts. I would really like to get a grill MP badge. I'm not sure if all the lights work, so I'd love to see that functioning as it should. Interior wise, I think all the gauges work. It'd be nice to get the dash refinished. Got a tear in the driver's seat, but I can live with all that. I just want to get it functioning as it should. Car runs good. I did an oil change on it, but a few things we're going to need to address before we take to some summer cruising. Taking care of, you can see that engine seal, not too good. Take care of the cooling issues you can see there. But it's a B6, it's on a 70 chassis, and if my memory serves me correct, the B6 coincides with the 70. So the body tag on the car has it as a 2005 MG TD replica, which it's not. I'll show you in the front where the MP Lafer tag is. I got my shadow in the way here, but I'm gonna try to move. So that's where the spare tire would go. Got the battery up front, gas tank. You can see the master cylinder down there. Somebody had a stereo in this thing at one time. But down there is the Lafer. See the Lafer badge? And they have this body as a 1979. So I'm not really sure how that worked. Whether they were taking older chassis, new chassis, used chassis. Because if the body's a 79 and the chassis is a 70, I did check the chassis number on the tunnel, and it came back as a 70 Beetle, so not sure how that works, but really fun car to drive. And you know, don't let the whole kit car thing fool you. That is some thick fiberglass. So if you guys have any information on this car, I would really like to have it. If you can point me in the right direction for parts, please leave a comment below. I know there's a site in Brazil. I've translated it, but I don't think they ship to the US, so if you guys could help me with that, I'd be much obliged. Let's take a look at this dashboard. If you look online for these cars, there are some really nice MP Lafers. They have the dash redone. Still trying to figure out this windshield. It's got the MP wheel. You can see down there. Yeah. Oh, my microphone's hitting. Look at that, where they cut out for the pedals. That It doesn't really look factory MP Lafer to me, but I wouldn't know. So what do we have? We got the MP Speedo tack. Got the gas gauge, clock, amp, and our temp gauge. It's got an oil temp sensor in the dipstick. A little glove box, got the trunk release under there. Check this out. Cigarette lighter and ashtray. Under here is where the, I had to look for this. We got the engine release there. That horn doesn't look factory, but it's got a neat horn. I'll have to fire this thing up. So it's a nice day. The battery's dead, but I'll bring the T100 down and we'll try and jump this thing. Throw some fuel in it and take it for a quick spin. Sounds good to me. Great day for a ride. Snow's coming. Gotta enjoy these days. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. Thanks for checking out the MP Lafer. I had a great time getting it out. Nice 40-degree weather. Taking it for a quick spin. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And if you have any leads on where to get parts for the MP Lafers, I would greatly appreciate it if you left me a comment below. I'd really like to get some parts for this car. My family really digs this car. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all the likes and comments. I really appreciate it. And we will see you on the next one. Have a great day, guys. Take care.